This is going to be a video tutorial on how to flip an image in LibreOffice Writer. Let me jump over to Writer here. I have LibreOffice Writer opened up now. To flip an image, the first thing I'm going to do is insert an image. I'm just going to use the old drag and drop method. I got some images here. I'm going to drag one over, drop it on my sheet here. Now to flip this image, I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do that. The first way, put your cursor over the image and right click. Then you want to go down to where it says rotate or flip. Straight off to the right, and right down here, flip vertically, which is up or down, or flip horizontally, which is side to side. I'm going to click on flip horizontally, and as you can see, it has flipped that horse horizontally. Now I'm going to press Ctrl Z. Another way to do it is to go up to the top up here. You want to select your image, go up to the top up here, up to the Format tab, click on Format. Then you want to go down to where it says Rotate or Flip, and straight off to the right, down to the bottom, flip vertically or flip horizontally. I'm going to choose flip vertically. That'll be up or down. That is how to flip an image in LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching.